thing. So how do you maintain that consistency with writing? Because I think speaking and listening is something that everybody can do, but that that part of writing, it's something challenging. It has been challenging for me.
Really, writing is different. Means if anybody is not having interest in writing, so sometimes it's quite monotonous. And when
Hmm.
it comes to writing, I would not say people, I would not suggest that you have to write every single day. Those who are starting, they can start with alternative days. Means one day you are writing and one day you are skipping, and apart
Hmm.
from that, those are totally beginners who just want to write some things. So they can start with bullets. Just give five bullets to your thought. Means five things that you feel really that is the great in your life, or five bullets you can give about nature, habits, anything about any object too. So just
Hmm.
start from 5 bullets and then increase it into 10 bullets. So after that, you would find that after some time you would be able to write in one paragraph also. So from
Hmm.
bullet to paragraph, you have to done this much only in starting, and
Hmm.
uh, and after that, you can go with the other activities for writing. You can describe your present day, you can describe your previous day, and you can illustrate any stories in your mind. In the same way, this is also really very important, very significant when you are writing every single day. Automatically,
Hmm.
you are learning, you are working with your vocab also when you are writing. Whatever vocab you are learning every day. So,
Hmm.
vocab is in your mind only. But when you are giving initiative to writing, so that time you are giving output. You are just using it not forcefully, but automatically that is coming into your writing. So it's
Hmm.
great. And whatever you write, whenever you speak, you find that whatever you have written, what kind of vocabulary you have used in your writing form, you are able to speak in front of others too. Because somewhere you have used your senses. In writing, you have used your touch. With the eyes, you are seeing, and after writing, whenever you are just speaking it, reading it out, so your ears are active. So when you use your senses with your writing, so that time it comes to you naturally. Everything is getting printed in our subconscious mind, and whenever we are doing practice with someone, so you don't need to think about vocabulary. It comes
Hmm.
spontaneously.
Hmm. Yes, yes, that's great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So do you also write little bit?
As I told you already, this specific portion of writing, it's very challenging for me.
Just
But
start
yes,
from bullets. Yes, start from bullet
hmm,
writing. It is,
I do write sometimes, as you said that you need to describe your whole day, or
hmm,
it can be any experience, that
yeah,
particular experience you have. Suppose you went on a trip, you can
hmm,
describe this. So sometimes I do this thing, but again, it's matter of consistency.
yeah,
So I'm not that much consistent with writing, but yes, I'm consistent with
yeah. Here you can follow.
speaking and
Here
this.
you can follow 2 minute rules also. For 2 minutes, you can
Okay.
set you can set your mobile on alarm, and
Mm-hmm.
you think that only for 2 minutes you have to write every day. So it is going to
Yeah,
be great help. Just set two
that
minutes alarm and do that for 2 minutes.
that sounds interesting.
Really,
I will
it will
try
be
it.
a great initiative from your side towards learning and
Hmm.
giving practice to your writing skill.
Hmm. And similar thing I've heard from someone that is regarding to speaking. Sometimes we don't feel like speaking, right? When we
Yeah.
are especially in this long journey of learning this
Hmm.
language, and it's not something that you will learn this language overnight. It takes
Mhm.
definitely time.
Yes.
So when I'm not feeling like talking or speaking, so I do one thing, that I try to speak at least for 10 minutes. I tell to my mind that okay, only for 10 minutes I will do
Yeah.
it, in order to build that consistency. So that
Yes.
these are some hacks, I think, that we
Yeah,
can.
these are some hacks that are working your mind. Yeah, you are just channelizing your mind some other ways. Yes,
Hmm.
you are playing tricks with your mind. Yeah, that's the
Yeah.
thing. And this rule doesn't follow on learning these kind of skills only. This follow with everything. Suppose if there is any monotonous work, you
Hmm.
need to do yoga, exercise, and you are not feeling energetic to start with that. So that time also you can do with this. You need to give a pure deep cleaning to your home, but you are not getting
Hmm.
time. So that time also you can start with 2 minutes rule. Yes.
Hmm.
So somewhere
Yeah.
you can start from like that, and it is not monotonous a little bit.
Hmm.
You have always one thing, one good vibe in your mind. Yes, after 2 minutes, there is an alarm that is going to ring, and after that, I am not supposed to do this anymore. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah. And some people think that those who are now fluent in this language, they used to practice for every single day. But
Hmm.
I think it's a myth, because everybody feels low and demotivated at some point of at some
Hmm.
point of time. So these are certain hacks or tricks, you can say, that can help us to stay
Yes.
disciplined and
Consistent.
consistent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Yeah, so
Great.
this is the thing.